everyone, Annette Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today we are downloading Paper Perk number 2. So back in July I have started something new that is called Paper Perks. This will be a weekly free, completely free printable that you can download from the special Paper Perks Facebook group. You have a link in the description under the video. You have to be a YouTube subscriber to join that Facebook group. In the Facebook group, you will have all the files, all the printables. There are 4 now, but again, every week there is going to be a new printable and a new video tutorial on what to do with that printable on my YouTube channel. So you can go ahead, join the group, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and enjoy the free printables and the free video tutorials. So Paper Perk number 2 is these circles that I am going to cut and then come back and show you what you can do with them. Okay, so I have cut everything. What I want to show you is that you can play with the colors on your printer. For example, you see the difference? Every printer has advanced settings that you can click to reach and then make things brighter, darker, with more red or more blue or things like that. So you can play with the colors of each printable and create whatever shades that you want. Basically, you can print each printable as many times as you want and use it any way that you want. So first, these can be tags, of course. There we have our Paper Perks junk journal that we're going to fill. This is what we did last time. Our really cute envelopes. And now we are going to add some things with the circles. So first, I wanted to show you that these match. So they come in pairs, but you don't need to keep these, so you can mix and match the colors, like this, for example. So you can mix and match. First, we always ink the edges of everything. This gives it a definition, a border, clean lines, and because we print this on white paper, it eliminates that little white that we see, the core of the paper. So I have a few ideas on what to do with our circles. I love circles. Like I said, you can create tags, add all kinds of stickers and embellishments, ribbons, flowers, words, whatever, other papers, paper scraps, whatever you want. Okay, so let's start with these sticks. What I want to do is fold this in half and then fold. This one has a direction. Okay, fold this in half too. And then also ink these edges. Then I'm going to show you how we can make a tuck-in out of this. So they're going to go together like this. This is upside down. Nope. It's the right direction. Okay, so I'm going to add glue, but only in the middle where the fold is. Then I'm going to glue this, so I'll have on both sides of the paper, I'll have a little tuck-in. And you can make it a double tuck-in by adding another layer with the second circle, like this. Let's close our ink so it won't dry. So now I have a piece left from the envelope from last week. I can tuck this here, or I can tuck this here. I can tuck this under here. Okay, so next let's look for another page. Don't have to go according to order. Let's do this one. Oh, this one, I like it. Okay, so here we can do the reverse. What do I mean? We're going to fold this inwards. This. Just want to ink the center. And let's see. And we're going to do the exact same thing, only put the glue on the outside this time. And then this one. Let's center it. Oops. So now I have this left from last week. I want to show you. Of course, you can use any piece of paper or any tag. I just want to show you the idea. So you can tuck things under here and under here. Isn't that cool? So you have two places to tuck things under. Next, we're going to make some pockets. So let's continue the circle. So we want to apply glue to the bottom and leave the top open. And I'm going to attach it under the tuck-in. This one, where is 12? 10, 12. Okay, so again, glue on the bottom only. Where did that 12 go? Actually, it doesn't really have. And the final one on the bottom only. So now let's bring our tags for a minute, our improvised tags. So now we have 1, 2, 3 tuck-ins or pockets like this. So we're going to make, over time, use other printables and make all kinds of tags and things that we can tuck under. So we have 3 tuck-ins idea. We have these ones, the outer fold and the inner fold. So I really hope that you like this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. This way you can join the Facebook group with the link that you have in the description under the video and download the Printable every week. Every week there is a new Printable. This is Paper Perk number 2. Go ahead, join the group, and download your Paper Perks. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.